Today, we're diving into the Kingston Fury Beast 32GB DDR5 CL36 desktop memory, a powerhouse RAM module that promises enhanced performance and stability for your desktop setup. Certified by AMD Expo, this memory module boasts an impressive memory speed of 5200 MHz, offering lightning-fast data transfer rates that can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. One of the standout features of this memory module is its plug-and-play functionality, making installation a breeze for both novice and experienced users alike. No need to fiddle with complicated configurations, simply slot the module into your desktop and enjoy the benefits of upgraded performance instantly. The low-profile heat spreader design not only enhances the module's aesthetics but also ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping temperatures in check even during intense gaming sessions or resource-heavy workloads. This design also makes it compatible with a wide range of desktop setups, allowing users to maximize performance without worrying about clearance issues. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of the Kingston Fury Beast is its improved stability for overclocking. With overclocking becoming increasingly popular among enthusiasts looking to push their hardware to the limit, this memory module delivers the reliability and stability needed to achieve higher clock speeds without sacrificing performance or risking system stability. Whether you're a casual user looking to boost multitasking capabilities or a hardcore gamer seeking every ounce of performance, the Kingston Fury Beast 32GB DDR5 CL36 desktop memory is a top contender for the title of the best RAM upgrade for your desktop setup. With its AMD Expo certification, plug-and-play functionality, low-profile heat spreader design, and improved stability for overclocking, this memory module ticks all the boxes for those seeking uncompromising performance and reliability. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.